Welcome to the Academy Meeting Orlando 2019, together with the Third World Congress. I am Diana Monea, an optometrist, a vintage optometrist from Canada, who practiced full-time for over 4 decades, and still loving every minute of it. So please join me on October the 23rd, 2019 at 1 o'clock as I talk about women ODs, the changing faces of our profession. It is really the perspective of a woman OD practicing after 40 years full-time. We will discuss such things as succession, work-life balance, does it exist, success, and finally wrapping it all together, what really matters. So please join me for some fun and entertainment, and maybe you'll learn something too. See you there.